Oh, the Monmouth magic.
Ooh, Monmouth magic.
The Monmouth magic.
The Monmouth magic.
The magic. It's a good one.
Like any magic, you can't see it until it happens.
Faculty members are so heavily invested in the students' success, and that's what we do.
You feel special here. You feel important.
You can't manufacture it in a classroom. You can't manufacture it as a student. But when we work together, there's a kind of alchemy that happens. Things happen.
Something about this campus really just feels like very welcoming to me.
I think it's just the people. Like, the people really suck you in here and they make Monmouth what it is.
I feel like it's very much like a community.
Everyone knows everybody. The support is crazy.
It is just a beautiful place.
They all want to be successful and they want to help each other be successful, and I think that's part of the magic.
It felt right. It felt like home.
The thing that won't ever change is the soul of this place, you know, and the soul of this place is centered on that compassion for one another and that warmth for excelling their students as far as they possibly can, and that true gift of bringing that magic. Because what's cool about Monmouth magic, in my opinion, is that Monmouth magic doesn't stay in Monmouth.